Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Transit 250. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a little tow hook there. We got rear park sensing, all-wheel drive, we got a dual door in the back with your backup camera, we got some black trim all along this vehicle with a keyless entry keypad. You got some trailer tow mirrors here, which is pretty handy. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back of this cargo van, you do get the ability to lock both doors, and you can just slide this one open by pulling the lever. Plenty of storage in the back, hooks and doodads. You can really customize this vehicle however you like. And we do get a rear sliding door right there with a little step, so you have easier access to the back of the vehicle. This vehicle has seat up to two pretty comfortably. We have this dark gray and black cloth interior. They are manual seats as well. Plenty of door space in the back, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, auto stop auto start, parking brake, storage, cup holder, storage on the dash with USB-C, which is all pretty handy. You also do get storage above you as well, which is pretty handy as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 38 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control with lane centering as well. We got a digital speedometer right here with my view, trip and economy, status info, vehicle maintenance, trip, audio, phone, and settings. We got a little step to get to your back cabin as well, which is pretty nice. And you can turn on your back lights, which is all pretty handy. Got your lights up front, cup holders, gear select, USB, hazards, 12-volt, storage below. You got your drive modes, normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul, trail, comm screen, park sensing, max temp, volume, and your infotainment system, which has your climate controls at the bottom. Audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius, or just Bluetooth. Got your phone controls, your settings. We also do get your features, such as your driving assist and drive modes, and any apps you may download will show up in here with, come on girl, your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA53541, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.